Hi everyone, here Andrea Angella, and today I'd like to talk a bit about working effectively with legacy code. I attended a workshop in London a few weeks ago with some of my colleagues with Michael Feder. It was a workshop on legacy code, and I'd like to share a bit the biggest takeaway from the workshop. That is the right way to approach a legacy code base. I'm a perfectionist. I love writing clean code. I love clean code. I love well-tested quality code. But you need to realize that if you're working with a legacy code base that is not well-tested and a very complicated code, it's really difficult to pretend to change everything and make it better. It's really going to fail any plan that consists of making the code base fully covered 100% with unit tests when maybe you are at 20%. It's not going to work, right? And you are not very sure about the value you are going to deliver. So what's the right way to approach a legacy code base? After talking with Michael Feder, he actually confirmed that these steps are what he really recommends. So the first step is to be very clear about the value that you're going to deliver, what the change you're going to make, what value is going to deliver to the customer, why you are making that change. And the customer can be also internal, can be any stakeholders. There must be a very clear value of the change you're going to make. Second, you're going to identify the areas of the code that will be affected, and then you see how much those areas are tested already, and if not, you write characterization tests to verify the behavior and to create a safety net so that you can make the changes you want to make in an easy way, in a safe way. But sometimes, obviously, the code is not well written, so you need to break dependencies in order to do that. And there are techniques that you can use to approach this problem. Once you have the characterization test in place, you can make the code a bit better. You can apply the Boy Scout rule and then add the changes you want to make in a nice way. You can use test-driven development if you can. If not, you can add the code and add unit tests later, whatever it is. But this is the right approach to change a legacy code base. There is no reason to change a random piece of code just for the sake of it, just because you want to make it better. It's a great feeling. I love improving code bases, but you need to be clear about the value you are going to add. So this is the tip from Michael Feder, and after speaking with him, he made this point very clear and is very important. So if you are working a legacy code base, as most of us do, you need to consider this. You need to apply this approach in order to make sure that the improvements you are going to make are going to deliver the value that you expect and the customer expect. So happy coding.